How to check following list on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the menu icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on your profile name. Further, scroll down and you will see the option for See Your About info. Tap on that. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, scroll down until you see the following tab, and in this particular tab right here, you will be able to see all the pages and posts that you follow. You can tap on the See All option and see all the following lists. So, this is how you can check following list on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.